Бабушка.
Yes, child.
Why did Mama and Papa have to leave?
For survival, my child.
Why not stay here where it's safe?
Because it is their duty. The USSR is a proud nation, but our neighbors across the border are not to be trusted. Stalin has declared the Soviet Union must be protected, no matter the cost. From the womb of Mother Russia, machines are forged to wage war in the sky, on the land, in the depths of the sea. But it is the people, the men and women of the Red Army, who pay the ultimate price when they march into certain death so that the USSR lives on.